Herb salad with Dijon vinaigrette. Prepare the ingredients. In a large bowl, tear 2 handfuls of kale, 1 bunch of parsley, 1 bunch of mint, 1 bunch of coriander, 1 bunch of basil. Slice 4 tomatoes each into 6 pieces and place them in the bowl. Slice in half lengthways a cucumber, then slice thinly on a diagonal and add them to the bowl. Peel and seed 1 avocado, then chop the flesh and add to the bowl. Mix well. In a jar, place 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 garlic clove, salt and pepper to taste, 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, 1/4 cup of water. Shake well. Serve the dressing on the side of the salad.